Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Today we are diving into some quick and effective ways to speed up Google Chrome. If you're tired of Chrome lagging, freezing, or just not performing well as it used to, stick around. I have got 7 essential tips that will help you get Chrome running faster than ever. First up, if Chrome still feels sluggish, resetting settings to default can help. This won't delete your bookmarks or saved password, but it will remove any unnecessary settings that may be slowing things down. Just go to settings, then reset and clean up, and select restore settings to their original defaults. It's a great way to refresh Chrome without a full reinstall. Let's talk about preloading. Chrome uses preloading to anticipate the pages you are likely to visit next. Help them load faster. To enable it, head over to Chrome settings, go to performance, and find the preload pages option. Turning this on can give your browsing speed a nice boost. Before we move over to next step, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. If your device tends to slow down when multiple tabs are open, try enabling Chrome's memory saver feature. This automatically limits memory usage for inactive tabs, making active tabs faster. Just go to performance under Chrome settings and turn on memory saver to keep things running smoothly. Tip number 4. Enable hardware acceleration. This feature uses your computer's GPU to handle graphic heavy content, which can help speed things up. Just go to system setting and make sure use graphic acceleration when available is turned on. Next, let's make sure Chrome isn't wasting resources in the background. By default, Chrome allows apps to keep running even after you close the browser. To turn this off, go to System in the settings and toggle off Continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. This will free up memory and processing power. Extensions are useful, but too many of them can seriously slow Chrome down. Go through your extensions and delete any you are not actively using. To do this, click on the puzzle icon in the top right, open Manage Extensions, and remove anything you don't need. It's an easy way to lighten Chrome's load. The last simple tweak is to switch to Google's DNS servers, which are optimized for speed and reliability. To enable it, go to Privacy and Settings, then Security, scroll down to Use Secure DNS, and select Google Public DNS. This can give you a noticeable speed boost, especially on slow networks. And that's it. These are 7 tips to make Chrome faster and more efficient. So let me know in the comments which one helps you in making the Chrome faster. Also, if you have any favorite Chrome speed hack, then feel free to share in the comments. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.